Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into configure access permissions for BA Builder. Previous video, the topic is allocating the access permissions for BA Builder. So now today's topic is configure access permissions for BA Builder. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to access role, managing permissions, and ensure the right team members have access to the right dashboards. So grab a sheet, hit that like button, and let's jump into today's topic. Configure access permissions for BA Builder. Let's open the BA Builder. BA Builder lets you create a view analytical dashboards, but not everyone need to full access. Set up role to control who can view, create or edit dashboard. Check access availability, ensure BA Builder access permissions are available in your Bitrix plan. Based upon that, set up roles and the permissions. So for that, you go to the first you open the BA Builder, and after that, once you landing into the user interface of a BA Builder, go to the access permissions. So previous session, how to create a roles for customized. So now try to understand the standard roles, how to give the access permissions. So in the default, administration and analyst roles are default roles. So remaining you can created customized roles. So administrator means manages BA builder settings and the access. Analyst, it means creates and edit dashboards. Users, it's nothing but views dashboards but cannot edit. See, if you want create, you can custom roles like mention the name and then add the employees. So use the toggle switch and assign the permissions for viewer. So in the first BA builder access permissions, if you enabling the BA builder access for the administrator, analyst and users, you can click the toggles and other things below the BA builder create dashboards. If you disable for administrator, you can switch off the toggle. Analyst, it's a duty creating the dashboards for the so you can click the toggle for an analyst. So remaining create and edit dashboard tags, edit settings, manage access permissions, edit dashboard scope, analytical hub access. Analytical hub access, it's nothing but if you want to upload access file, CSV file in the BA builder, so that features is available in the analytical hub access. So if you enable it, you can enable that option. So most of the analytics create the dashboard, so you can give the access permissions, but remaining employees you can deny the access permissions. The dashboards, after you creating the dashboards, you can give the permissions, view permissions, copy, edit, delete and export. So these are the access permissions are available in the BA Builder. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Got any thoughts or questions about setting up access permissions in BA Builder? Drop them in comment below. I will be sure get back to you. Catch you in the next one where we will continue explore the best tool to optimize your workflow. Thank you.